Hey everyone, it is Andrea, and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. These releases will go live Wednesday at noon Eastern, and as you can see, we have some exciting things, but I will save both of these for last. Very, very excited. It is time. But let's go ahead and go through the normal new releases. So we have a foil bundle, three collections, a bunch of doodles, character stickers, and the color of the week. So let's go ahead and start at the top with the Scribblers, and this week is the boy type option. This is 018 and it comes in the normal 6 options for the colorways, and these will be under the normal Scribbler listings. We do have one pop culture character for this week, which is Kirby, so this is 28. There is also a color of the week this week, and this was requested by Hannah, and it is a sparkly red. This is the new format as far as it has 2 more sheets, so it doesn't have 10, it has 12. There will still be a buy it all option. The pricing will just be changed because it will be for 12 sheets. I also started with this one putting the number, I think this is right, of the color of the week on the top. I'm kind of nervous that it's not right, but maybe it is. Yeah, I thought it was 45. Oh, no, it's 47. Okay. So 47 is the color. And then this is a sparkly red, which is perfect for the holidays. So you have your same 10 sheets that you're used to. And then there is the extra 2. Some of the doodles haven't actually come to the multicolor yet. So it's kind of a little preview of what is coming in the next few weeks. So here are the new sheets. If you want to pause it and take a little look. Lots of cute stuff coming. And again, this is in the sparkly red. Love it all. So that is the color of the week. This will be available through Sunday. And then we have the regular doodles that will be in the shop. So this is 10 new doodles. So this is $5.91 through $600. So you have some sticker sheets, some bubble mailers, some Happy Mail with stickers, a clear planner, a more of a journaling planner, a planner stack, an open planner. So 2 little planners together, a planner and some coffee, and then this one is a little hand holding a phone with a little SP logo on it, which I thought was really, really cute. Then we do have a foil bundle, and this has been so requested, so I'm very excited that we finally have it ready to go. And this is the rose and matte bronze combo. So let me go ahead and show you the full box page. So it's the normal shimmer mixed metal format with rose and matte bronze. I am obsessed with this. You get 2 pages of the full boxes and the header overlays. You get the bougies. You can see the matte bronze a little bit better that way. Obviously the rose shines more because, well, you see the rose more because it's a darker color, but it's so pretty. It's gonna look so good with so many Christmas sets. You could really see the color difference here. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at it. I'm probably gonna use this twice this year. I already know it. I think it's gonna be great for fall, for the holidays. I think it would look really good with actually, I think it would look really good with both of these sets. These ones, the ones that are coming here, I think these colors go really well together. But this will be on special pricing from Wednesday when it's released through Sunday. It is a limited availability because it is made outside of the shop. So if you want to definitely get your hands on it. So that is the shimmer mixed metal in rose and matte bronze. Then we have 3 kits this week. We have an exclusive art, an old photo kit that's reformatted, and then a new art that was released that I wanted to use because it's beautiful. And this is the exclusive art. It's called Christmas Movies. So I wanted to do a set that was kind of just around cuddling up, getting some good food, and watching Christmas movies, whether it is the Hallmark Channel on Netflix or DVDs, whatever you may, just kind of a movie set. So this is exclusive art, so you won't find it anywhere else. I love these colors. They're very light vintagey colors, and I think this would look really pretty with this foil bundle, but would also look really good with just silver, just gold and silver mixed, matte bronze and matte silver mixed, matte bronze by itself. If you wanted to do rose, I think this would be really pretty on its own. If you wanted to do red to kind of bring out the little pops in there, that'd be cute. Lots of options, or light gold, or a matte gold, or a champagne gold if you want to make something pop. But love these full boxes, lots of movie elements. So again, these colors are really nice, like a different palette, but still gives like Christmas vibes. You have another flat lay double seam here, but you could totally break this up and use the boxes separately. Love these patterns. They give me that kind of like vintage vibe. So pretty. You have your extra box here with like the Yankee candle and the pile of blankets. And then the extra in the mini and the ultimate is 2 more boxes. You have like some treats and then a cute little snow globe. So that is Christmas movies, and that is exclusive art. Like I said, it will be available Wednesday with everything else. It does also come in a mini kit. And then let me show you the add-on options. There is, okay, let me see. There is the functional add-on, the ombre, the doodle, the label sampler, the fashion add-on, the fam add-on, and then the extra boxes add-on. So you have another living room type scene from like a different angle with like a movie on the TV, the stockings, and then you have little cat and dog, and then a little pajama flat lay. So just more boxes and more options to extend or switch them out. Then this was so wild. So this came out a while ago, and both Kirsten and Hannah within this like a couple of days of each other mentioned this kit. And I was like, maybe I do need to reformat it. But again, I think this one would look so good with this foil bundle, but it would also look really pretty with like lavender hollow, would look good with matte bronze, matte silver mix. This would look really pretty with just silver, gold, like they're just rose because of the pinks. Anything, this is wonderful. It has been highly requested to bring back. I haven't had a photo kit in shop in like 100 years. So you have your deco page. I love these colors. Very, again, not traditional Christmas colors, but I think it's so fun. Lots of boxes also where you can like add quotes on, and then Kitten just did some papers for me. I think they turned out beautiful. I love this bottom washi situation. So cute. And then the freebie and the ultimate in the mini is just some doodles in the like green color with like accents of the other colors. So that is wonderful. It comes in both a mini and ultimate. Whenever this came out, this was like a top selling Christmas kit the year it came out. There's the mini kit. There is, and I think it only might have come out in mini kit. I'm not sure, but I feel like it. So there is the functional, there is the doodle, there is the ombre, label, and label 2. So let me show you that. So the green, such a pretty addition if you want to bring that in and make it a little bit more like colorful. So that is wonderful. And then the last kit for this week before we go into the Advent details is Holly Jolly. I love this. It's very quintessential red and green, but like still it's kind of a twist, I feel like, on the colors. They're not like super like classic, but they're like, it gives that vibe. It gives very like homey, warm, cozy vibes. There's lots of add-ons here, and you have lots of food. And that's like in the boxes, I was like, I need to put all the food on the front, because this biscuit board is literally everything. The French toast, the cookies, the fashion options, the scenes, those pancakes with, you could see like the syrup dripping down them. Literally everything. This is another one that could go with so many foil bundles. You could do the red and the green mixed metal. I don't know if I have that anywhere near, but I think that one would be a perfect contender for this one. I feel like you could do silver gold mixed metal. I feel like you could do just gold, just silver. You could do champagne lights, the gold champagne lights mixed metal. You could do a red, sparkly red. You could do a green. Just so many options. The freebie and the ultimate and mini is the alternative skin tone options for this box. But I am obsessed, and I feel like it's always good to at least have one classic color, red and green kind of kit in your lineup. It just gives you those holly jolly feels. This actually might be my Halloween, not my Halloween, oh my gosh, my Christmas kit for this year. So you have the ultimate and the mini. Then the add-on options, you have the doodle, you have the functional, there's a lot of options here. The ombre, label 2, which is the light green. There's the babies. So you have the 3 different skin tone options here in the babies. And then you have like a little stocking and then like a little candy cane onesie. And then you have the kiddos, which has a more like a pajamas with slippers. Again, the 3 different skin tone options there. And then you have the fam options. So you have fam 1, there's a tall box, and then 2 boxes here. You have a prego option, and then you have the option on the bottom. You have a fam 1 through 6, and I am obsessed with all of them. And that is the final kit for this week. So that is all of our normal releases. And then we are also releasing our Advent, and I'm very excited about this Advent because it was like dreamt up in, I think, December or January, like last year, and I am so excited about it. I'm not going to show you what's inside of it, but I'm basically going to tell you what's inside of it. So if you don't want to know at all what's inside of it, I'll give you the gist of it. So I have a limited amount of these, but this is a shop preview. So everything in here will be coming to the shop later, but you'll get it before I release it, like a sampling, and it will be at a discount price. So I will leave the pricing down below, but this one here is just one envelope. So whenever you open this envelope, it's just going to be a single cello with everything that's in here inside of that cello. So there's not all of these envelopes. So this is an Advent style, and this is going to be a single cello style. So this is not an Advent. This is more if you're like me, who I don't open things Advent style. I just rip them all open when I get them. This is going to be a more affordable option since there is only one envelope versus the 13 because there is a freebie day. And then everything is just bundled all together. So it's still a surprise because you're gonna get it like this, but it's just not a daily surprise. And it's a more affordable option. And then there's this one here, which is going to be a couple dollars more just because of all of the extra packaging labor that took to do this one. And there's a little bit more of a limited stock of these ones because I did do a poll and it was like a fifth said they wanted it this style. So that's like the main gist of things. I'll leave the pricing down below. So if you don't want to know anything about what's in it, you could click off now and it'll be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. But if you want to know a little bit more about what's inside of it without giving away exact details, you could keep watching. So let's go over the contents of this package here. This is the individual style Advent. Everything that is in here except for the extra envelopes and daily stickers that are on top that say like 1, 2, 3, etc. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, email me, whatever you like, I will get back to you. So in every single envelope, there is going to be 2 sheets of bougie box underlays, and they are going to be in a fun pattern that kind of coordinates either with something that's in shop or is something like neutral that I feel like could go with a lot of things. So I feel like this entire Advent is very usable. If you wanted to pick up multiples of them, I feel like you'd have no issues using everything that comes in it multiple times because like I said, this is a shop preview. So everything that is in the Advent will be coming to the shop in all foil colors, but in the Advent, in every envelope, you're gonna get 2 sheets of the bougie boxes, the ones with the 8. There is all core foil colors throughout, and you'll get a pair. So let's say this was like a gold, let's say triangles. I don't have triangles in here, but I don't want to give any away. Gold triangles, you get 2 sheets of gold triangles in this container, and then there wouldn't be any triangles throughout, but there might be other gold throughout. Just wanted to make it very usable, so I stuck to core foil colors. But that's kind of the gist of it. So you're just gonna get then 24 sheets of bougie boxes plus your little freebie extra day, but I don't wanna spoil that because that's fun. Just something extra that's not included in the like breakdown of value. But yeah, that's kind of it. It's all going to be available then later on next year in the shop and all the foil colors. So this is just a shop preview and something fun to kind of introduce the different designs into the shop. And this again is the more limited selection. This is the individual daily Advent. So there is the 12 envelopes plus the freebie envelope. And then this is the single cello. So if I opened this, it would be one cello with all of the stickers that are in here inside of that envelope. So you could even, if you wanted to just pick up one of these and then maybe pick up an extra one and then just hoard this till you're done. And then you can get that discount in a big bundle and still have the surprise of this one. And then just pick this up because it's more affordable as an extra. I personally would definitely pick up multiples if you are a big underlay bougie box user, because I feel like, again, core foils and in a lot of patterns that I feel like go with a lot of things. Up to you. If you have any questions, let me know down below. If you want to ask me through email, I definitely will respond as fast as possible. But I also did do a limited stocking of these. So once they sell out, I won't be stocking any more of them. But like I said, they will all the product inside will be coming to the shop next year. But the discount is obviously the pro of picking it up in the Advent and you're getting it ahead of time. The only thing I ask is just if you're going to show it on like a video or something prior to the Advent, just give a warning just for people who want it to still be a surprise, just as a courtesy. But that is everything for this week's releases. Again, we will have the Advent available at Wednesday at noon Eastern. It is limited stock. These are more limited stock than these ones are. And then we also do have all of the standard new releases available as well. So I hope you like this week's new releases. I hope you're as excited as I am for the advent. I have been, since it's been designed since the beginning of last year, and we've had them in shop since like spring, I have been itching to use the designs, and I'm so excited for them to finally be available and to be able to use them. So very excited about it. And if you do get it and you don't show it anywhere, but you want to let me know what you think, definitely email me because I'm very excited, or come back and comment on this video. That'd be fun. So that is everything for this video, and I will talk to you on my next one.